Mai koutou, ko Oliver ahau. My name is Oliver.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, ko Zek ahau. I'm Zek, and welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raapa, the 9th of May.
Right on to te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is Apopo.
Āpōpō means tomorrow.
What are we doing, Apopo?
Try say it now. Apopo.
Apopo.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate. Enjoy the sun, Winton School.
On to today's notices.
Year 4 to 8 Kapa Haka in the hall today at 12:30. Please bring your lunch with you.
Meeting for all ambassadors and president and vice president in the library at morning tea, please, with Mrs Collett. All classroom ambassadors are to be present, please.
Attention Year 5 and 6 students. Winton will be entering teams in the gym festival next term. This is a competition. This competition is for schools to enter, so you don't have to be a gymnast or attend a gymnastic club.
Mrs Fleck will be holding trials in the hall on Thursday and Friday lunchtime. For any interested Year 5, 6 students, boys are welcome. You need to be able to do a roly-poly, handstand and cartwheel. They don't have to be perfect. Bring your lunch and I'll see you on Thursday lunchtime.
Reminder that there is no band practice on at the hall tomorrow. Reminder that there is a band practice on at the hall tomorrow at 3. Please make sure you get there and set up, ready to go.
Now, if you have missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below the video.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite āpōpō.
Hi, Ra, and see you tomorrow, Winton School.